Could the future of artificial intelligence be shaped by the fierce competition between Google and OpenAI? The answer might be closer than you think. In June 2023, Google announced a project that would give a whole new dimension to AI technology. At the I/O Developers Conference, the world was introduced to Gemini. Gemini is not just a name. It's an acronym that stands for Generalized Multimodal Intelligence Network. This new model of AI is generative and multimodal, built on the transformative principles of AI technology. The public got its first glimpse of Gemini on December 7, 2023. As a multimodal AI, Gemini's capabilities are not restricted to one type of data. It can efficiently analyze, process, and combine different kinds of information such as text, code, audio, image, and even video. Gemini uses the Gemini Pro model, a brainchild of Google itself, to generate responses and solve problems. This feature positions it as a rival to OpenAI's GPT-4, with similar functionalities but a broader scope. However, access to Gemini is not universal. If you're residing in the European Union, you might meet a roadblock, but there's a workaround. By using a virtual private network or VPN, you can access Google Bard, the home of Gemini, which is already accessible in the United States. Do note that using Gemini requires a Google account. Scene script. Currently, Gemini is only available in English, but who knows what the future holds? In a nutshell, Gemini is an innovative AI model that merges different information modalities, offering functionalities akin to GPT-4, but with a wider reach. As the AI landscape continues to evolve, the competition heats up and the frontiers of technology are pushed even further.